There's a lot of moving parts in solar. People don't realize, compared to other types of construction, solar does have a lot of aspects in order to get from you actually signing a contract out all the way out to having your system functional with PG&E. The number of clients that call in and say, I've gotten 15 bids from other companies and I have no idea what to do, like I have no idea whether I should go with this company or that company, is staggering. The fact that you're getting different information from a lot of different people is hard, for a homeowner who doesn't have experience in the industry. I think that the biggest challenge that a customer runs into is definitely knowing what they're getting. Because you're going to have the system on your roof for the next 25 to 50 years. You want it to be a quality solar system. Knowing what you're getting is the most important part of that.
I didn't understand any of it. It's just all a bunch of kilowatt numbers and different things, and Ben just went through it and just over and over went with it until I actually got it and figured it out. And none of the other companies really would take the time to do that.
There's sales companies and then there's educators, and what we're really striving to be is educators. We want customers to be able to get this information whichever way they feel most comfortable, whether it's coming online or we'll come out to your house and we'll answer as many questions as you can possibly throw at us.
We aren't sitting there trying to sell someone on what they're getting. We're just educating people, and at the end of it, they should understand what they're getting. There's no sales aspect to it.
It's informative.
It's just information. We're going to provide the information. That is what our pitch is we're going to provide you with the information. We're going to educate you on what you're getting. And by the end of an hour or so of talking to us, you should feel confident in moving forward with us.
Ben was real upfront with us, just saying, hey, manually, this is the toughest job we've ever done. And we might break even on this, or we're going to lose money on it, but I made you a promise. So
we're never going to tell somebody that it's going to go perfectly. We're never going to tell somebody that. But we will tell them that if there is an issue, no matter what it is, we want to solve it because we want you to have a good customer outcome. That's really important to us, and that's, that, like I said, that goes beyond just your outcome in your solar system. We want to feel like that you believe that the company that you went with is a good company, and that company isn't just providing you a solar system, but it's providing you a good experience. We want to be that company that is there when someone calls, someone's there to answer the phone, and have that experience where you feel like you're really being taken care of.
Every one of the technicians who works with the company seems extraordinarily knowledgeable and unbelievably efficient. This system here went up in about 3 or 4 days. It was amazingly quick. The infrastructure work took a little bit longer, but that's just because everybody's so busy these days. The efficiency is incredible. I mean, to put something like this in less than 2 weeks is pretty terrific.
In order to have a good customer experience, you need to do the same thing every time. You need to have a system or systems in place that facilitate that. And so we did a number of things to enable that. We've built our own software on the back end that helps bring better quoting to the customer so that we have a really nuanced view of exactly how much power this system is going to produce. And then once you do sign up with us to go solar, we have this entire streamlined process on the back end that allows a project to pretty much go from A to Z. We've automated a lot of that so that the focus can be on the customer.
We didn't want our staff to have to think about what do I do next. We wanted them to think about how do I make this customer happy.
It's a fabulous company with wonderful service people and a level of commitment to the business that's unmatched.